In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a login page in Wix. To get started, make sure you have already added the Wix members area to your site. Once that is in place, go to the left sidebar inside the Wix editor and open the Apps section. This is where you can manage the features connected to your website, including the member tools that control login and sign-up options. From there, click Open Dashboard. This will take you to the area where you can manage how your member features work behind the scenes. If the sign-up and login bar has not been added to your site yet, click Add to Site. Wix will automatically install the sign-up and login bar for you, which saves time and makes setup much easier. After that, open Sign-up and Login Security. This section is important because it lets you decide who can join your site. You can choose everyone if you want to allow open registration, or select only people I approve if you want more control over who gets access. In the same area, you can also choose your authentication options. This helps you define how users sign in and what kind of login experience they will have on your site. Once those settings are in place, go back to your site editor and click on the Login and Sign-up bar element in the header. This is the visible part your visitors will use to access their accounts. With that selected, click Set Navigation. Here you can customize where users are sent after they log in. This is useful if you want members to land on a specific page, such as a profile page, a members-only page, or any other area that fits your site structure. Take a moment to review the path you are setting, because this small detail can make the user experience feel much smoother and more organized. A clear destination after login helps visitors know where to go next and keeps your site feeling professional. When everything looks the way you want, click Save. This makes sure your changes are applied and your login setup is ready to use on the site. That covers everything you need to know.